You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video.
Good start by me. Oh yes! But now the Civic Type R is coming past so fast, and the Cupra. What's happened to me? Come on! I'm in the i30N. No! No! No!
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Civic was ahead for most of the race, but was being caught by the Leon all the time. They both crossed the line in 14 seconds dead, but the Civic was ahead by a whisker. Next was the i30N at 14.7 seconds, which managed to beat the Renault, which had the best start, but crossed the line in 14.9 seconds. Last was the Peugeot in 15.4 seconds. Really, the issue is the 308's engine just tends to bog off the line, just like the 208 GTI's engine did when we drag raced that. But could the Peugeot do better in the next challenge?
Now we're going to have a rolling race in third gear from 50 miles an hour. Wait for everyone to get level and I'll call them in. Okay guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, pickup's all right, but no! That Seat has blown me away. In fact, I'm last. That Peugeot's doing really well now. It's between the Leon and the Civic though. I think the Leon just has it, and this is last. I'm calling this.
Thanks for watching this 360-degree drag race video. Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.